greeting Dr. Abba Muhammad Nizam and Dr. Mandarins. I am Lo Chen with metric number 75484 from Group 19. This video will introduce the group assignment for manufacturing system. Our group members included Zhang Sisen, Li Yonghui, and Mark Louis Jimmy. This report describes the plan to improve the production of exhaust system of motorcycle which plan to market in 2024. The overview of this report is regarding the research of designing, plan, layout, and process to manufacturing the exhaust system of motorcycle. An exhaust system of motorcycle is an important component that has been used to remove the harmful gas produced by engine. The main function of exhaust pipe system is to control noises, carry away the gas, improve engine performance, and improve fuel consumption. Exhaust system included exhaust manifolds, catalytic converters, exhaust pipes, resonance, and mufflers. The first exhaust purification system is known as crankcase Foster ventilation control valve, and it was developed in passenger car in 1963. Nowadays, the exhaust system of motorcycles are various lots and varieties. Resonant motorcycle side-on exhaust system is one of the exhaust system of the motorcycle. The price of the exhaust system of motorcycle are in between 100 to 7,500 ringgit Malaysians. This is all about my part. Thank you.
An exhaust system is precisely engineered to direct reaction exhaust gases away from the engine's controlled combustion and away from the user. The entire system transports engine exhaust gases. The system usually consists of one or more exhaust pipes. The first exhaust purification system is known as the crankcase forced ventilation control valve. It was first deployed in passenger car in 1963. It directs the crankcase leaking exhaust gases into the intake manifold before burning off the exhaust gases to prevent them from escaping into the atmosphere. In 1968, liner exhaust gases such as hydrocarbons and carbon monoxide were subjected to a nationwide limitation, causing the automakers to reduce the compression ratio, delay the ignition timing, increased idle speed, preheated the intake, and pumping air into the exhaust manifold to achieve a more thorough combustion. However, most of these early interventions increased the fuel consumption and the emission of nitric oxide and nitrogen dioxide. The improved exhaust system contains 5 components, which is the exhaust manifold, oxygen sensor, catalytic converter, muffler, and the exhaust pipe, which connects them all. With the improved system, we can decrease carbon footprint and the consumption of fossil fuel, and the exhaust price range available on the market, according to mudah.my, starts from 100 ringgit and can go as high as 7,500 ringgit depending on the brands.
Okay, for the manufacturing system part, I will discuss about 3 topics, which are the manufacturing process and assembly, production machines, and computer control system. The layout above shows the manufacturing process and assembly with the production machine. The layout of exhaust system process is divided into 2 areas, which are the manufacturing process of exhaust pipe area and exhaust muffler area. For the exhaust pipe area, the raw material of steel pipe will be sent to MS pipe cutting machine for the first process. The function of the machine is it will cut the pipe according to the dimension given. Then the pipe will be stored into a storage temporarily. Then the shutter steel pipe will be sent to tube deburring machine for deburring process by the conveyor belts. The mandrel bending machine is placed after this workstation. This machine will bend the steel into an angle needed. After that, the bending steel pipe will be sent to the tube end forming machine and tube end expansion machine to change the diameter of the steel pipe. For the exhaust muffler area, they start with a rolling machine and automated welding machine. These 2 machines will form the steel sheet into cylinder shape. Then, the automatic screw machine will screw up the exhaust muffler part with the ready header. After that, it will be sent to assembly area. This area will assemble the product from the exhaust pipe area and exhaust muffler area and send them to product storage. The function of the computer control system can be used to communicate instruction to workers. The workers can fill their daily tasks automatically. After that, it can be used as control material handling system. Monitor safety also one of the important function of the computer control system. The quality of the product also can be controlled by the computer control system.
Manufacturing system can be defined as a collection of integrated equipment and human resources. Human resources is very important because it used to perform one or more process and assembly operation in manufacturing system. It can be either full-time or periodic human workforce, and it depends on the system. For example, an automatic system doesn't require a full-time attention of the human workforce. In our system, 19 people is needed to perform works such as load and unloading. Next, material transport system involve of movement of material. When the system is very systematic, it means the system have higher efficiency. This is because it doesn't require many time to move the material from a station, from a workstation to another workstation to process it. The equipment that we use in our system has a conveyor belt, hand truck, and trolley. And next, storage system is also very important because the material have to be standby and we can easy to find the material when we need it. And storage system is very important is because of the limited capacity in our factory. So when we have a good storage system, it means we can use the space efficiently and store more stock in our factory. The system that we use is pallet racking system. And last but not least, identification system. Identification system used to collect and access big data in a short time. The system that we use is barcode system. It can be used to identify product and track and trace the product, which seller did it sell to, or which pallet it belongs to. And that's all for me. Thank you.
As a conclusion, the design of our plant layout is suitable and can be done by our company. The manufacturing system that we design will improve the production of the exhaust pipe and the exhaust muffler. We have included automated production in the system to reduce production time, improve efficiency, and reduce labor costs. The production machine that will be used in this plant layout is MS pipe cutting machine, tube end deburring machine, mandrel bending machine, tube end forming machine, tube end expansion machine, magnetic robotic arm, rolling machine, automated welder joint machine, and automatic screw machine. Even though the newly designed plant with semi-automated and automated machine will reduce the number of workers, however, they are still needed for the operation of the semi-automated machine, loading and unloading the raw materials and monitoring the machine.